In this video, I will show you how the automated notifications of Framework360 work. As we can see, there is a module called the Notifications module, which allows you to set up an automated notification that is sent from the platform to the client based on certain situations. For example, if a client registers, they can receive a welcome email. Besides emails, they can also receive a push notification, an SMS, or a WhatsApp message. And furthermore, it is possible to send notifications always via email, SMS, push notifications, etc. when clients have their birthdays. This could be useful, for example, to send a promotion. During a person's birthday, you can send an email directly when the cart is abandoned. It often happens, especially on e-commerce sites, that when clients don't visit the site, they add products to the cart, but then leave the site without purchasing. This notification automatically sends an email, an SMS, a push notification, WhatsApp messages, etc., depending on how we set it up to notify the customer that they have left products in the cart. On our e-commerce site, you can also clearly send a notification of an order awaiting payment, or when the order is completed. In fact, it will be possible to create a notification very conveniently, thanks to the visual builder of Framework360, which is somewhat recurring in all the modules.